Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Mirthwood game on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. First, open up your Android browser, just search for the Steam website, then simply open it, then just click on this login option. Now here simply sign into your account guys. If you don't have an account, then you need to create account on Steam. So just create account on Steam guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. You need to download and install the Steam on your PC. Then just click on the install Steam, download the Steam launcher and install it on your PC. After that, open up the Steam, then just log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type the game name. Guys, once you type the game here, now this game Mirthwood will appear on the top. So simply open up this Mirthwood game. Now here on this page, just scroll down guys, scroll down, you'll see the option of add to cart. Now if you want to download and install this game demo version, then just click on this option of add to library. Now just click on the OK. If you want to download the original game, then click on the add to cart option. Now just click on this view my cart option you are seeing right here. Guys, here simply click on this continued payment option. Here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have, and once you pay the amount. Now game was added to Steam library. Just go to the library of Steam and on the left hand side just find this Mirthwood game. Just search for it. Guys, once you find this game on your Steam library, then just click on that, then just click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.